Hello friends. Baking is done out of joy. Baking is done out of love for family and friends. Yes, and the joy that a baker gets after baking is beyond expression. You got it right. Today we are going to cook easy and delicious chocolate chip muffin cakes that you can make easily at home and you can enjoy them as well. The only thing that I want to ask you is kindly follow the recipe given and it will turn up the most soft and moist muffins you have ever eaten in your life. So let's begin quickly. Initially, add 1 egg in a mixing bowl. Now, I have taken 35 grams of white sugar that I am adding to it. Along with it, I have also taken brown sugar. This is natural brown sugar and it is 10 grams in quantity. Now I'm going to whisk them nicely until the sugar melts along with the egg. You can also take the powdered sugar, that is pretty helpful. If you don't have a whisker like this or an electric blender or mixer like this, you can simply use a spoon. That's perfectly alright. But the thing that you need to keep in mind is when you are baking, everything should be at the room temperature. Now you can see that the egg has now turned frothy. We are going to add butter, that is around about 45 grams of butter. This butter is again at room temperature. To this I am going to add 3/4 spoon of baking powder, that is 4 grams of baking powder. And this I am going to add only 1 gram of baking soda. We don't need it much because we've already added the egg and that is going to help your muffin rise. To this I'm going to add cocoa powder. This cocoa powder is around about 40 grams. If you want, you can put a lesser amount of this. Just fold it in nicely. And now, if you can see over here, I have got melted chocolate. Now, I took 1 small teaspoon of butter and I added around 20 grams of dark chocolate that I'm going to add into it. This is, completely optional. If you don't want to add it, there is no need for you to add it. I add it because of the extra chocolatey taste. It literally lends you a very chocolatey taste to your muffins. You can also glaze your muffins with the same syrup once they are baked. And to this now in batches I'm going to add all-purpose flour. To this I'm going to now add around about 30 ml or maybe 40 ml, whatever is required to make the consistency of the cake a little thinner. Alright, so that much amount of milk now I'm going to add into it. And I'm going to whisk it nicely. If you don't have all this, now, as you can see, the batter is almost ready. Finally, I'm going to add my chocolate chips to it. You can add pure chocolate chips to it I have taken milk and chocolate chips, alright. You can take even the dark chocolate chips, whatever type of chocolate chips you want, you can add to it. And they are almost sorted. This is done. We are now going to spoon them into our muffin cups. We are going to preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 135 degrees centigrade. And then we are going to add it. Keep the muffins in it for 20 to 25 minutes in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade. So now we are going to bake them in the oven. I've taken these muffin cups. You can also use a muffin tray. I'm using them. Now the initial step will be to brush the cups with oil. And once I've done this, I'm going to dust it with the all-purpose flour. I've got the all-purpose flour over here. I'm going to put a little all-purpose flour inside them. Now, once this step is over, I'm going to spoon my batter inside it. One by one. Once you've spooned them inside, keep them packed so that they settle in properly. And after that, I'm going to add a few chocolate chips. If you like streusel muffins also, you can make streusel and add streusel to it. It will give you a very crunchy muffin, chocolate muffin. Now, as you can see, I've filled in my cups, and because the size of my cup is bigger, and this is the reason why I've got only 5 muffins out of this much of batter. You can double the batter in order to get more muffins, or you can fill it in smaller cups. That would give you around say 6 to 7 muffins out of this much of batter. And now it's time for us to bake. Now we are going to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at 185 degrees centigrade. But each oven has different settings, so you can just, after 20 minutes or maybe 15-16 minutes, you can just check it, put a toothpick inside or maybe a knife inside in the center of the muffin, and if it comes out clean, that means your muffins are baked. Now, as you can see, they are baking nicely. We'll give it a little more time, and you can see that they have risen so much. Can you see how much they have risen? Now, let us allow it to bake for some more time. The muffins are now baked. As you can see, they have risen very nicely, and you can see the chocolate chips as well. One important step that I forgot to tell you is that whenever you bake something, kindly keep a little water in the oven so that your cakes or your muffins, they remain moist. The water helps in the baking process, and whatever you are baking remains moist because of this water. Now I'm going to place them on the wire rack, and I'm going to let them cool for about 15-20 minutes, and then we are going to dish it out and show it to you how it's done. So now it's already 15 minutes and they have cooled, and now I'm going to take it out for you and show it to you how they have come. I'm going to deplate them for you, and you can see how soft and moist they are. Just look at the lovely texture here. You can see how moist they are from the inside and how beautifully the chocolate has melted. Yes.